Hi, we're group 6, and this week the goal was to meet all of our objectives. And so here on the gyro scrum board, you can see everything that we have done. So the bulk of the project is completely finished. The only thing that we will continue to work on and finalize until later this week is the report. And so you can kind of see the list of things that we've been crossing off as we have been doing it. Another way to look at this is through this board. We have nothing to do. Everything is currently in progress, and everything that's in progress is just in terms of the report. And so here's a small drawing of kind of what our project is, and Coy will briefly discuss it.
So M1 is the mass of the car, M2 would be the mass of the suspension system, where C1 is the damper, and K1 is the suspension itself, and K2 is the tire in contact with the ground. So K2 does have the biggest stiffness, we decided, because obviously your car doesn't bounce when your tires are rolling. As you can see, our equations below, those are what we derived from our image. And then we also made a MATLAB function of both of these. So our input would be the road disturbance. So as the road fluctuates, no road is perfect. And our output is the displacement. So when we tested this part of the code, when we looked at our graphs, we were able to determine the validity of our controller, which we thought was very, very valid because there was less displacement for the top mass, which was our X1 equation, which is desired when designing a suspension system. We wanted less displacement for the mass or the car rather than for the suspension system itself. So we thought it was a valid controller. And Chandler also created a Simulink to discuss other.
So yeah, as you can see here is the Simulink model that I created. And then for all of these values, the K values, the damper values, and the mass, there's input values that match Coy's MATLAB. And then the output, when you're looking at the diagram, is this oscillating function, which is what we expect. And so from here on out, we will just continue to finalize that report and get that all turned in and ready to submit by the end of the week. Thank you.